Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to buy and send Bitcoin on Bitbuy. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Bitbuy app, and here in order to buy a Bitcoin, what you need to do is simply scroll down and find the BTC or Bitcoin currency, and then simply click on buy. And once you click on buy, there you'll have an option to enter in the amount and then buy the currency proportionate to the dollar amount that you enter. And once you have done with that, you will have purchased the Bitcoin. Now in order to send Bitcoin, what you need to do is simply tap on withdraw, and then once you tap on withdraw, you'll have an option that says make a withdrawal below. Now you'll need a recipient wallet address and it will draw amount. Now here what you need to do is go into your another wallet, and there what you need to do is find your wallet section and then tap on it. And once you tap on your wallet, here what you need to do is tap on the option that says deposit. And once you tap on deposit, here you'll have an option to search the cryptocurrency. Now in our case it's Bitcoin. Simply search it and then select it. And once you select the Bitcoin, here you'll have the Bitcoin address, deposit address. Now simply copy it and then go back to the Bitbuy page, and here what you need to do is enter in or paste the recipient wallet address and then enter in the net withdrawal amount, that is your available amount, and then tap on submit. And once you tap on submit, here you will be provided with a 6-digit verification code. Simply enter in that code and then tap on done. And once you are done with that, here your review with your withdrawal request will be shown, and then simply check the amount and then tap on request withdraw. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.